TikTok Shop is full of gadgets that promise to make everything easier. So I ordered a bunch for the first time to see if they actually work. The only problem is I didn't realize that almost all of them were fruit slicers. Instead of just testing these randomly, I'm going to use all these sliced fruits to actually make a smoothie at the end. And along the way, I'm going to rate each one of these to see if any of them are actually worth buying. But before we get to the smoothie, there are a few gadgets here that work with vegetables, so we're gonna start with those first. This is the onion goggles, and it's supposed to not make you cry whenever you're cutting an onion. I had to get this. Somebody had to try it out. I've actually never cut an onion before, so I don't even know if I would cry anyway, but I don't know, why not? Let's try it. How'd the lens fall out already?
Oh my God, he on X Games mode.
Oh, this is stupid. I look insane. Here it is. We're gonna try and see if they work and my eyes don't water up. How do you cut an onion?
You cut both the ends off.
Oh, see, this is how you know. I'm a baker, not a cook. I did that right. Should I be wearing gloves?
No.
Does this make my hands smell?
Yeah.
I don't want that. Okay. Now I feel better. This smells horrible. I don't feel like I'm tearing up, so I guess it's working. You can tell I don't cook. I can't even slice. Is this right?
Yeah.
Sure. Oh, I almost lost a finger. Okay.
Yeah, make sure you do your fingers like this.
Like that?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I'm a pro. You know what? Don't ever ask me to cut an onion again. I don't know what I'm doing. You get the idea, all right? It's working. All right, here are my onions. I'm not tearing up, so it's working, I guess. But my pride is just very low right now. I think I look stupid in these, so that's a compromise you have to work with. But it gets an A. I like it. This is a fruit and vegetable core. It's supposed to be able to just remove the core of like a bell pepper or the inside of an apple. So we're gonna try it on this bell pepper and see if it works. All I could assume is that you insert it and you twist. So let's try. Wow, okay. There's a lot of seeds in here, so I don't know if that actually worked or not. Yeah, it got the core. There's some seeds on it, but there are so many seeds on the inside of this. If the goal is just to take this portion of it out, then I guess it worked. But if it's supposed to like take all the seeds and everything out with it, that did not work. There's like still so many in here. I could have just did this with a knife. So yeah, this gets a C. This is a 3-in-1 avocado slicer, and apparently I got way too big of an avocado, but we're gonna see if it still works. So I just cut it in half with a plastic knife. Okay. That worked. It's just user error. And I did get a huge avocado. It did slice those. I have to give it that. I'm trying to get on the other. Yeah, I mean, that's slicing it. It does what it says. It works. I don't really see anything wrong with this. I think it's a really cool tool for what it's supposed to do. So, avocado slicer gets an A. Now for the many different fruit slicers that I got. This is a fruit and vegetable slicer, and I'm going to use it to slice these strawberries. Press down. Okay, that worked. That was okay. I actually like that. That was really cool. This is lovely. Oh my gosh, this is great. I love it. I love it. This is my favorite one so far. This is perfect. If you want to slice a strawberry, I'm sure it can slice other things really easily too, but this is great. It gets an S. All right, this is a banana slicer. It's used to slice bananas, so I don't see why it won't work. Let's try it out. So I assume once I press this on, it's just going to cut through. I did what it said. I mean, what can I say? It worked. Like, these tools are really good this time. It did exactly what it's supposed to do. I can't find any fault in that. So yeah, the banana slicer gets an A. This is a banana and sausage slicer. So we're gonna try this out. I think I broke it. I don't know. Okay, all right, we're gonna try it. I don't like this. I don't know if I don't like the blades coming out at me. That doesn't feel safe. It works. It works. And they're a lot thinner than the other banana slicers. So I don't know if it's supposed to get stuck like this. And I also don't like that the blade comes out at me. I don't know. That just doesn't seem safe. I like it, but I'm going to give it a B. This is a kiwi peeler. It's just supposed to be able to kind of core the kiwi out for you. So let's try it out. All right, so I'm going to just use this knife it came with. I'm supposed to just kind of cut it in quarters. And now this is inserted, you spin it, and it comes out. I don't like it. I don't like it. There's so much still in here that I would eat normally that this just couldn't do. And I tried it a couple times. It's just not getting it. So that's like a lot of waste for me, like on both pieces. But I mean, it did work. It still worked, but it's too much waste. So I'm gonna give this one a D. This is a manual apple peeler. This looks interesting. Yeah, this is already complicated. It's on there, and I think I'm supposed to use my thumb to like move it? Okay, so you can go both ways with it. I'm so good. Like, I don't like it. It's working though. I have to give it that. I've never had to fight so hard to peel an apple. Oh my gosh. This is actually kind of hurting my wrist too, because I'm having to squeeze this so tight in order for it to stay in place. Here's the apple. It doesn't even look that good. Does it work? Yes, in a way, but I would not recommend this one at all. I hate to give it an F because it did what it was supposed to do, but it just, no. This gets an F. I wouldn't recommend this one. This is a pineapple core end slicer. Now, I've seen one of these before, so I assume this is probably gonna work pretty well, but I've never actually tried it. All right, first, I know I need to chop the top portion off. And this came with no instructions, so I assume I just insert and twist. Oh, that was wonderful. All right, we take this off and take it off. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so this worked. It's just the core left, which I'm assuming you can just break that off and eat it too. So, do you eat the middle of a pineapple? No, you don't, because is it hard?
I don't know.
I think it's hard. Ow! I can't tell. You don't eat that. So no, this is great. This is great. This gets an S. I couldn't ask for better. These are both ice mold makers. One is supposed to make roses, and the other one, I guess they're just spheres. I've never really tried anything like this before, so I figured why not? So let's see if I can actually make it work. So this one came with a little funnel. I'm about to get water everywhere, I know it. Why would it come with this little funnel? Let's try this one too. This one, I guess I just pour the water on the top. There's no way to fill that up. This don't seem right. It was all just sitting on the top. Just so you know, none of these tools came with like any instructions. They just came in plastic bags. So keep that in mind if you order something off of there. I'm gonna try this again. This time I'm going to pour the water on the inside. Now we're gonna put these in the freezer.
A few moments later.
Here's our rose-shaped ice. It should be completely frozen now, I think. Okay, so it's actually not completely solid, but I get the idea. It's a rose. That's cool, that works. And then this one is a diamond with the top is a circle. I mean, it does what it's supposed to do, and actually like the design, you can actually see it. So this one gets an A. These are the tiny molds. They should be frozen now too, so let's check that out. That worked. Literally came right out. I like this one too. This one gets an A. We have all our fruit ready, so let's make the smoothie. Oh, it's good. All right, so here's my smoothie, and it all worked out, so these tools are actually worth something. So this was my TikTok shop experience. So if I had to pick, these are the gadgets that I would probably keep, and everything else, I probably wouldn't. Let me know if I should do another TikTok shop test, because I think there's a lot more gadgets I could probably try out. So if you had fun with this video, make sure that you like it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and let me know any other videos that you want to see me do next. And until then, I'll see y'all in the next video. So this cord from before is supposed to be able to actually work with apples too, so let's try it out. What's it supposed to come out? No, this is... I broke it. Okay, so don't use it for that.